What's up, Two Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm Two Fly B, and today I got another lit video for y'all today, man. Y'all know what the title say. Without further ado, let's go and hop into it. Fam, getting straight into it. This is the box. It says Palm Angels. Picked up some Palm Angel slides, all black around, label in the front. And this is a pool slide, colorway black and white. As I take the top off, this is what it look like when we open it up. We have a dust bag. Go and open that up. Move it out the way, you get straight into the shoe. Take the plastic out. We have the slide. Go ahead and give up the shoes out. Alright y'all, these are the shoes. The right shoe says Palm and the left shoe says Angels. You know I gotta get my thumbnail real quick. Alright y'all, know how to get my thumbnail. Got the thumbnail. I want to show y'all what they look like so people can see what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and review it. Alright, starting off with the right shoe. This is like a regular, your standard pool slide. You know, this is just like one like that Nike makes. No extra nothing. Honestly, with this shoe, you simply just paying for the name. On the top, it says Palm in white. Rubberized. On the footbed, as you can see, it says Palm Angels in black. Standard pool slide. Nothing else, little plastic. It's like the little holder to keep the shoe molded correctly, so it won't be flat or anything. At the bottom of the shoe, I have worn these already. At the bottom it says made right here, made in Italy. And it has your shoe size at the bottom. Simple shoe. Let's go ahead and get into the left shoe. Going around, same exact thing. Typical pool slide. Except for the top, it says Angels on the left. And the inside footbed as well, it says Palm Angels again. Black. Angels is in white. And upon the bottom, again, it says made in Italy. Have your shoe size. Not much to this shoe at all. Like I said, like your standard pool slide, man. I just got these because I like them. I like Palm Angels. I have a shirt to go with these. And I also bought some sunglasses. But the shirt goes with the sunglasses. I didn't buy these slides to go with a shirt. These shoes are black and white. The Palm Angel shirt I have is white and black, which means the shirt is white and the Palm Angels is black. Unlike these shoes here, my shoes are black and the Palm Angels is in white. I bought this to go with a black the swim short set. The shorts and the button up top, both of them is black. And I bought these pool slides to go with it. Nice little summer shoe, man. And that's it with the review for this one. Alright, Two Fly fam, that's it with the review on them Palm Angel slides. It's time to get into the on feet portion. Let me know y'all thoughts on the shoe. Is it a shoe that you would buy? Do you like the shoe? How y'all feel about the shoe? If y'all would get it, how would y'all wear it? You know, it also can be good for an airport shoe. I know some people like wearing slides to the airport. You know, the airport fit. You gotta stay drippy no matter where you go. I feel it. Nice summer shoe, but it's a regular shoe. So is it worth the price? Y'all gotta let me know. Also, for people that want to know, the shoe does retail for $170, but check around. If you like the shoe and you want to get the shoe, make sure you browse first, check around, check different sites, because it's a lot of places they be having this shoe on sale. I end up looking up and I got my shoes on sale for $95. So look around, man. They do have other colorways as well. Sometimes different colorways will be different sale prices. So just look around. Don't pay retail for them if you don't have to. Search around first, find the deals, find the steals, and that's how I shop. I told y'all over here. Yes, we shop a lot. I understand. I don't judge y'all. You know, I understand it. We shopaholics, low key. It is what it is, bro. But just be a smart shopper. Don't just buy everything retail because you can't wait. No, if you want a smart shopper, we smart shoppers over here. I teach y'all how to shop smart, so we don't have to spend a lot of money. We gonna spend money regardless, but let's try to save some if we can, you know? So look around for them deals and the steals. That's how you get the most bang for your buck. So before I get into this on feet portion, Y'all know, let's stay connected on social medias. My Instagram and TikTok is 2FlyB. My Snapchat is FlyManB. Make sure y'all take care of y'all selves. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. Get us our next video. Be smooth.